What makes us different from other cash home buying companies? At My Tennessee Home Solution, we built our business on trust, honesty, and service. These weren't just convenient words. They were the values lived by in the military, and now we carry them into every conversation, every offer, and every closing. Here's how it works. You call us, and we listen. We don't rush people. We don't pressure anyone. We simply ask what's going on, what you need, and then we work with you to deliver a solution. Because we understand that for you, this is about more than just a house. It's about your next chapter, your peace of mind. We're veteran owned, we're local to Middle Tennessee, and we bring that discipline, that respect, that people first mindset into your home selling experience. We know that selling a house, especially under difficult circumstances, can feel overwhelming. So we promise to make it clear, straightforward, and fair. No cleaning out, no major repairs, no months of uncertainty. We buy houses as is on your timeline. And more importantly, we treat you with the dignity you deserve, because we're not just buying a property, we're helping a homeowner move forward. If you want to sell your house for cash and have an experience that truly puts you at ease, from the very first conversation, give us a call, 615-637-SOLD, or visit us at mytennesseehomesolution.com. We're ready when you are.
We'll buy your home today, no need to delay. My Tennessee Home Solution.